Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we will look at some few Figma tips that most of you are probably already aware of. But for those of you who are new to Figma, this video is for you. Let's get right into it. Sometimes it becomes tedious looking for the design editor of a file in Figma, while you can easily spot the prototype file. In order to gain access to the editor file, open the prototype file, navigate to the top bar menu where you have the file name, right-click on the drop-down menu and select Open in Editor. Now you have access to the editor file. In order to access the version history of your file, first click on the gray backdrop of your file, then go to the top bar menu and select the arrow beside your file's name. Next, select the Show Version History. In the drop-down menu, your file's version history will appear in the right-hand sidebar. You can select any of your file versions in the history panel to preview. To go back to your last version, hit the Done button in the top left corner of your file. The same procedure applies to your Figma files. In Figma, how do you recover a deleted file? Go to your Draft section and select the Deleted tab in the left corner of the Draft area. Now, click on the file you want to restore and select Restore in the context menu. The final tip is about prototyping. Sometimes you find yourself switching between the design editor and prototype very often. It turns out there is a way around this. First, select where the prototype is, then use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl-Alt-Enter for Windows and Command-Option-Return for Mac. This will open the prototype page. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe. Bye.